How thermostat wiring behind the faceplate can cause heating and cooling problems is often overlooked and can create intermittent system failures. Thermostat wires running in the wall cavity can rub against edges or cross and touch each other, creating contact or short circuits that cause miscommunication with the furnace or air conditioner. Start by turning off power at the breaker and then gently remove the thermostat faceplate to inspect the wiring without tugging on the conductors. Look specifically at the red wire and the green wire for any bare copper showing or places where insulation is thin. Use electrical tape or heat shrink tubing to re-insulate exposed areas and keep the conductors separated. If wires are brittle, corroded, or nicked, replace the full length of the run back to the terminal block or nearest accessible junction to avoid hidden faults reappearing. When reassembling, leave enough slack in the wiring so strain relief is maintained, but do not coil excess wire tightly inside the cavity, as that can trap heat and moisture. If you are not comfortable working near mains power, call a licensed electrician or HVAC technician and describe that you suspect wire contact or shorting behind the thermostat so they can target the hidden cavity. Common mistakes include assuming the thermostat is faulty when the wiring is the cause. To fix this, test continuity and inspect the wall cavity before replacing the thermostat. Another issue is poor insulation of repaired wires, which allows intermittent contact. Use proper electrical tape or heat shrink and secure conductors separately. A third problem is leaving the power on while probing wires, which risks damage or injury. Always shut off power at the breaker and verify with a non-contact tester or continuity meter before touching wiring. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors for projects including electrical and thermostat troubleshooting, and we host a discussion community where users share experiences and ask questions. We help contractors find work by letting them showcase services and engage with potential clients through our platform.